Hello guys, welcome to my channel and to a new video. This is part 5 in the series of recreating the best of CLIPCHAMP online video editor using Filmora. Every video creator needs the best effects, graphics, and as many as we can have. But then you may not get all of them in a specific video editing software being ready to use, which means they can be ready to use in another video editing software. Yet in another software you will need to create them yourself. That's what we are doing in these series. Looking the best ready to use in CLIPCHAMP video editor and create them in Filmora. And in this video, we are going to create two transitions, the barn door vertical and the barn door horizontal. So if you haven't watched the part 1, 2, 3 and part 4 of these series, you can check the description or browse my channel. Well, am I sounding something you like? Then support the channel by subscribing. Here is CLIPCHAMP video editor. When you open it will be looking like this. I will leave a link in the description for the video editor website. You can press here to import your files. And drag and drop the two files. Then go transition, then right here we are taking barn vertical. Then the barn door horizontal transition. And this is how it looks. So let's go back to Filmora and start creating them. I have my two videos imported already. Press here to open the track manager. Add 3 video tracks. Drag your videos to the timeline. So now the first video in the transition must be on the track above. And now for the duration we are going to count 7 moves using keyboard arrow. So this video is starting here. And we split it here. Then right mouse click and go crop and zoom. Or you can just use keyboard Alt+C. So now here we want this video to occupy half of the total screen. So what we do is set here on custom. Then divide this number by 2. And we get this. Okay. Copy this video and paste it onto the track above. Right mouse click that video and go crop and zoom. Then move this cropping to the other side. Okay. Now from the preview window, move each video to its right place like this. And then it's now making one video. Now double click and go masking. Select single line. From the preview window, customize it like this. Do that to the other video. Then add a keyframe on the start of both videos. Now count 4 moves using the keyboard arrow. The set for this video, the mask exposition to 33. And to the other video set it to -33. Now, for the last keyframes. Set for the video below, the exposition to -108. And then set for the video above 108. Let's render and check the preview of this. So this is the barn door vertical. Now for the horizontal, the process is almost the same, but there is a small trick I will show you now. Let me delete the keyframes and the masks. So right-click the to go crop and zoom or use the keyboard keys. The first thing, reset this. Set it back to custom. Then now we divide this number here by 2. And this is what we get. Okay. Let's go crop and zoom again on the other video. Reset and set to custom. And divide that number by 2. Move it like this. Okay. Now from the preview window, move each video to its right place like this. After that, go mask. Select the single line. Customize it from the screen like this. Do that to the other video. Then add a keyframe on the start of both videos. Count 4 moves using the keyboard arrow. Set this video mask, the Y position to -35. And the other video to 35. Move the playhead to the end and set this video mask, the Y position to 109. And the other video to -109. Let's render and check the preview of this. That's how simple you can make the barn doors transition in Filmora. If the video has helped you somehow, please say it in the comments. I will appreciate it so much. Thanks to you guys for watching. Let's meet in another cool tutorial right on the screen now.